Hey, convertible you, convertible me. Ain't she a beaut? Right here on Willis Talk. Woo, look at that sucker. Shiny. Oh, beautiful. Oh, look at that. Oh, gosh. Woo-wee. Black and white, black and white, black and white. Now, this is a black and white color that you really want to see. Look at that. Oh, look at that. Perfect. Shiny. Oh, look at that, too. Right there. Oh, God, that is nice. Sweet look, sweet ride. Woo! Hey, if you know what kind of car this is, put it down in the comments section. I'll give you credit for telling me the name, make, and model. First one that actually tells me the right information. Look at that color. Wow. The original dashboard. Whoop. Whoop. Well, that's it for this episode of Willis Talk. Like, subscribe, and enjoy this beauty. Woo, doggy!